How do I invest a small amount? And what's the right investment plan for my situation? There is a widespread belief among a large number of people that investing always needs large sums. However, a number of specialists see the opposite, as anyone can invest a small amount and take their first steps towards the world of finance and investment. It may seem to many people that investing a small amount is difficult, or even ridiculous. But in fact, you can really invest a small amount to make an additional return, and of course this will not be a big return in the short term, but the return can be rewarding in the long run. So, how to invest a small amount? Here are 3 best ways to invest a little money. First idea, investing in a small business. This option is suitable for many people, to invest in a small business that fits the amount of money they have, and does not require large capital. However, small businesses with small capital need more time in return. And to learn how to set up a small business and how to run it. Investing in a small business is not about starting with a lot of money. It's about your passion for your idea, good planning, and a clear understanding of what the market needs. It is very possible to achieve success with little investment at first. You can start from the things you donate or like to do. And of course take advantage of the skills you have acquired during your career. You also can turn a hobby into a business. If you like fishing, open a store for its tools. If you love reading or writing, then write a book and sell it in the digital market. From camping to blending tea, viable businesses are often born from hobbies. The point is that if you've been considering turning your passion into a paycheck, completing a series of steps, and acquiring a variety of skills, can put you on the path to success. And because there is a real chance in this type of investment, we will dedicate a video explaining all the opportunities presented in this area, and the right process on how to build it successfully, step by step. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification mark. Second idea, is trading in capital markets. For a small amount, you can trade in financial markets, such as stocks and foreign exchange markets. Since you don't have much money, and want to invest only a small amount, you have to find a suitable financial broker, with inexpensive services, and low commissions. But you should pay attention to leverage, which is the money the broker gives you to increase your ability to trade in large volumes. And don't forget that when you invest in capital markets, whether in the stock market, commodities, or foreign currency, you are at risk of losing your money, either in part or in total. Therefore, before starting any trading, you must be familiar with the basics and principles of trading, and how these markets function. Third idea, investing in yourself. You can invest a small amount in learning a skill or several skills that may enable you to achieve future income. There are currently many educational platforms and sites that offer detailed lessons and courses in all areas imaginable. You can also buy e-books to learn a new skill, instead of paper books, which are always high in price compared to e-books. In order to succeed in one of these areas, you will not need a significant initial investment to learn or master the necessary skills. As per experts say, investing in yourself is one of the best investment that is neglected by many people. Focusing on yourself can be achieved not only by developing the skills you have, but also on how to market yourself and your service, to be identified in the competitive world we live now. And the best benefit of investing in yourself is that you can never lose from such investing, and it will pay off, either shortly or for the long run. Finally, investing a small amount will not pay off quickly. And your success in investing will depend on how well you choose the right way, based on your circumstances, your potential, and investment culture. The success of any investment depends on how the right investment decision is made, rather than how much money is invested. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. And let's learn and grow rich together.